Today we are going to give you a tour of Cabana Bay, a Volcano Bay view room. As soon as you walk in here on the left, you have the sink. It is a single sink with mirror and double lights with some vanity space down below. And then you have a lockout to the bathroom for the toilet and shower. It is a stand-up shower, no tub, but it does have a pretty good amount of space there below. And then going here to the side, when you walk in on the right, you do have the closet. You do have a safe in here. It is tall enough for a laptop. Couldn't lay it down though, but it is a stand-up safe with ample space. And then you do have an ironing board and some extra pillows and blankets up above. Going into the bedroom, you do have a separate door which could connect two rooms together. And then the TV with the TV stand with some drawers and the refrigerator. Pretty good amount of space. Feels really cold, so I would definitely call it a fridge and not a cooler. Then here on the side, you do have two queen beds, perfect for a family of four. And then here in the corner, you do have a little breakfast table with two chairs where you can just grab some quick service and have your children eat breakfast while you get yourself ready. And then here you also have a Keurig Cuisinart with plenty of coffee and condiments and cups and covers and everything like that that you might need. And then here on the side, in between the two beds, you do have an end table with more drawer space. You got some shelving there. You do have an old school retro alarm. This is Cabana Bay after all, with the remote, telephone, and pad and paper. Do want to point out also that it does have two plugs on each side. And then the view, like I mentioned before, this is a Volcano Bay view. So you do have the entrance to Volcano Bay there. And then this is the water park for Universal Studios. And it's a pretty good view if you ask me. All right, guys, that is going to do it for the Cabana Bay, Volcano Bay view room tour. Thank you so much for following along. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and don't hesitate to hit the like button as well. It always helps us create new content like this. So thank you so much and have a great day.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.